My name is Eric Cash, and this is my concept map for ACL injury prevention. That will be the topic of my dissertation. A lot of people think that this might be an overdone research area, but I would strongly disagree. I think there's a great need for accessibility to injury prevention programs at the high school and middle school level, and I think there's a great need for more research as well, which I'm going to explain why. ACL injury prevention really comes from focusing on non-contact ACL injuries. Non-contact ACL injuries, you have your non-modifiable risk factors in hormonal and structural or anatomical, especially with females. Want to look at the male versus female injury incidence rates. Females, based on research, show higher incidence of injury than males. And then, out of non-contact ACL injury research, modifiable risk factors have evolved, and that's kind of where current prevention programs come in. They've looked at modifiable risk factors, developed protocols, and we're going to look at the effects on ACL injuries, but I also think there are some limitations to current prevention programs, which leads to the proposed prevention program, which is going to focus on modifiable risk factors. The first point of emphasis with the proposed prevention program, which is called Block Zero, is athletic position. Athletic position is kind of the starting point for mastery of jumping mechanics, landing mechanics, and everything that we currently do in our weight program. If an athlete can't master this for us in our program, then it's hard to progress to everything else over the next 3 to 4 years as long as they're with us. Block Zero has a big emphasis on the inclusion of ground-based strength. Athletes play on the ground. Most sports are ground-based, and those impact forces that occur when the knee is, in a unique position, that's usually where non-contact ACL injuries occur. We're also going to look at progressing plyometrics appropriately. Again, all of this for Block Zero. We're going to examine the effect of Block Zero on ACL injury prevention and see what the results are.